Hey guys, going through TowMate again. Excited to have another episode. Got Chris with me again. How you doing, man?
Hey, doing well. How are you?
I'm great, man. I'm doing good. It's another beautiful day out, a little hot, but hey, I ain't gonna complain.
The birds are chirping, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, summer day, but we're keeping it cool here in the TowMate studio. So I brought another mystery box with me today.
Oh, all right. What we got now, man? Looks really nice, heavy-duty case. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, well, it's got some life-saving equipment in it.
Awesome.
I'll go ahead and do the big reveal here. Now, this isn't a new product. It's something we've had for a while, but it's what we call the safety alert system. And you've got a couple of critical components here. It starts with your trip hose. Now, this is much like your traditional service station. You run over the hose, the bell goes off. Only this hose has a wireless sensor on it. When this gets run over, when the hose is tripped, it's a 15-foot hose with the standard model, but we also have up to 50-foot hoses, and you can have multiples on a system. But when this gets run over, it sends a signal to one of two devices. The first being this rechargeable horn here. This piece, it's got a high decibel marine grade, so all weather horn on it, as well as a high intensity LED strobe. So there's both a visual cue and a very audible cue, letting you know that somebody has gotten into the work site that shouldn't be, that putting your life in danger. So it's a perimeter warning device, and the sensor, it's constantly adjusting for pressure changes. So when a change occurs, it's going to account for it if it's like a temperature change. But whenever it spikes, indicating somebody's run over it, it sends that signal and this alarm goes off. So you know that somebody's coming into the work site and you've got only so much time to get out of the way.
Nice. So I got to ask you, if you're on site, on the work zone, it's loud outside, you can't hear anything, how will you access the features of this device?
Right, well, and that is a very good point, because, you know, if you're working highway construction or a heavy-duty recovery, you know, either way you look at it, there's a lot of noise on highways typically. And so we did take that into account and actually have a wearable device that we've developed. It comes in this nice pouch here, so you can you can strap it to you, to your forearm, or somewhere on your arm or your ankle, but it also, in addition to, so I guess I should say, as a wearable, when that alarm goes off, it's going to vibrate vigorously, letting you know that, hey, oh man, the alarm's been tripped. Oh yeah, I can hear the horn in the distance, shoot, or not even that, because that's a lot of thinking for the split-second reaction you'll have to have. But you'll feel it vibrating, and even if you don't, it does include also a single bud earpiece. So there's an audio jack you can plug this into and also have that in your ear, and it's going to put an audible tone out there when this is tripped. Now, this particular device also doubles as a warning device. So you can hit this button and trip the whole system, letting other guys or gals on the work site know that, hey, we've got to get out of danger. I'm going to go ahead and do it just once on the video because the thing is loud, but hopefully you'll get the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And you may be able to tell that this is also vibrating, letting you know, hey, the system's going off, get to safety. So again, that's so that guys on the side, if they see something, they can trip the system too, in case maybe the vehicle didn't hit the hose, or for some reason, the other guys didn't hear the horn, whatever. You hit that button and it sets the system off, so that there are multiple layers of safety with this system. So we've developed it over the years with feedback from tow operators in the field, highway departments. There have been studies done at a university in the Northeast, and so it's been found to be a very viable solution to a widespread problem that's only getting worse of distracted motorists on the highways.
Nice. Well, Chris, I appreciate you bringing it in, man. I'm excited that we sell this product, actually. I mean, what a life-saving device that is. It's going to save thousands and thousands of lives, I'll bet.
It's got the potential to, and so if you need more information, feel free to give us a call. You know, this is something that every fleet should have, and certainly every highway construction, city, you know, anybody that's going to be working on the roadside long hours. So thanks for tuning in again, and we hope you all stay safe out there. Thank you.